Pennsylvania is an equitable distribution state that limits divisible property to marital property, property acquired during the marriage, while protecting each spouse's separate premarital property, gifts, and inheritances from division. Pennsylvania does not consider marital fault in property division. Pennsylvania's equitable distribution analysis uses a multi-factor approach including the length of the marriage, contributions of each spouse, the economic circumstances of each party, and the tax consequences of distribution. Courts have significant discretion in fashioning an equitable result. For creditors, Pennsylvania offers a distinctive combination. It has a strong tenancy by the entirety protection for married couples, but no traditional homestead exemption. Pennsylvania tenancy by the entirety. Property held in tenancy by the entirety by married couples, real estate, bank accounts, and other assets that can be titled this way, is fully protected from the individual creditors of either spouse. Only joint creditors of both spouses can execute against entirety property. This means a married Pennsylvania debtor who holds significant assets jointly with their spouse in tenancy by the entirety has substantial creditor protection, despite the absence of a homestead exemption. Pennsylvania has no specific homestead exemption for individual debtors. This makes individually held real estate accessible to judgment creditors, but the tenancy by the entirety protection neutralizes this for jointly held property. Wage garnishment in Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania is one of the most restrictive states for private creditor wage garnishment. Pennsylvania does not permit wage garnishment by private creditors for most consumer debts, only for child support, alimony, student loans, and certain other specific categories. This makes wage garnishment essentially unavailable as a tool for private judgment creditors. Like North Carolina, the Pennsylvania wage garnishment restriction requires creditors to focus on bank levy, real estate enforcement, and business asset execution. People Locator. Skip tracing identifies individually held Pennsylvania debtor assets accessible despite tenancy by the entirety protection. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to place your order.